more quotient rule examples. So for quotient rule, we are taking the derivative of a rational function f of x divided by g of x. So simply speaking, the derivative is gf prime minus fg prime divided by g squared. So if you write like this, then you can skip writing all the x in parentheses. All right, so the first function, square root of x minus 2 divided by x squared plus 3. Let's apply the quotient rule. So first thing first, let's square the denominator, x squared plus 3, and then square, you have gf prime. So denominator times the derivative of the top, which is x to the 1/2 minus 2. And then minus for quotient rule, and then fg prime. So we have x to the 1/2 minus 2. Square root means 1/2 power. And then take the derivative of the denominator. So d dx x squared plus 3. And then what's next? The next step is you take the derivative. F prime of x. Can we squeeze the derivative over there? I don't think so. No, let's don't do that because we want to keep the exponents big. X squared plus 3. So this one we bring the square down, right? And then x to the negative 1/2, and then minus x to the negative 1/2 minus 2, and then the derivative of x squared is 2x, the derivative of 3 is equals to 0. Don't forget that you have to square the denominator. So next step is at this point, the derivative is done. If I say, so let's say I'm giving you a in-class exam, written exam, take the derivative, do not simplify your answer, then this is it, you're done. But most instructor will ask you to simplify all the way to the end. Let's do it. Okay, we have a big distribution, plus 3 square. So first, we have to take x squared times negative 1/2. So let's write down the coefficient, and then that will be 2 plus negative 1/2, which is equals to positive 3 over 2. And then plus 3 over 2, and then x to the negative 1/2, and then minus 2x 1/2 plus 1, that is equals to 3/2, and then plus minus, right, 4x. And then anything else we can do? Yep, we can combine the 2 and the negative 2, right? So 1/2 minus 2, that is equals to negative 3 over 2. So overall, f prime of x, that is equals to negative 3 over 2, x to the 3/2, and then plus 3 over 2, x to the negative 1/2, and then plus 4x divided by the square of the denominator, x squared plus 3 square. All right, this is your final answer. So what if you want to get rid of this 2? So do you see that in the numerator, there is a denominator 2. What if you want to get rid of that? All you have to do is you multiply top and bottom by 2. Okay, just take the entire answer, multiply 2 over 2. So that gets rid of all the denominator. The 2, right, in the numerator. Do you see that 3 over 2, 3 over 2? You want to get rid of that, just multiply the top and bottom by 2. Okay, the first function is done. Let's move on to the second function. So the second function, do you see that there is a product on top? So when you apply the quotient rule, you might have a product rule hidden inside a quotient rule. So when you do a quotient rule, you may have to walk through a product rule as well, because the top is a product of two, has two products. So to avoid doing a product rule inside a quotient rule, I would like to multiply the top first. So f of x, okay, this one just copy, paste. All right, paste that over here. So let's multiply the top, match the color. So x times x, so that is x to the third, and then plus 3x minus x squared minus 3. So that way I don't need to do a product rule inside a quotient rule, x plus 2. And then now you can take the derivative. So f prime of x, in case you don't remember what the quotient rule is, that is gf prime minus fg prime divided by g squared. Square the denominator, x plus 2 square. You copy the denominator and then take the derivative of the numerator. X to the third plus 3x minus x squared minus 3, and then minus for quotient rule, and then you copy the numerator, x to the third plus 3x minus x squared minus 3, and then you take the derivative of the denominator, which is x plus 2. No, don't do the square, all right? So because the original denominator is just x plus 2. And then you go ahead, do it. So f prime of x, you have x plus 2 square. And then here you have x plus 2. And then this is 3x squared, right? Plus 3 minus 2x. And then the derivative of 3 is equals to 0. So this is done. And then minus x to the third plus 3x minus x squared minus 3. And then the derivative of x plus 2 is a linear function. The slope is equals to 1. And then you fully open the top. Or at this point, the derivative is finished. If your instructor says take the derivative but do not simplify, which is what I always do, then this is your final answer. But if you are asked to simplify all the way to the end, then you have to do it all the way to the end. So mode distribution, x times 3x squared, so you have 3x to the third, and then plus 3x minus 2x squared. So 3x to the third minus 3 plus. Okay, let me make sure I got this right. So x plus 2, and then you have okay, 3x squared plus 3x minus 2x squared, and then plus 6x squared plus 6, and then minus 4x minus x to the third minus 3x plus x squared plus 3. And then you combine the like terms. Okay, highest power, the third power. So I have a third power. And then where is the second power? So this is the second power. And then this is the second power. Let's handle these two first. F prime of x, so we have 3 minus 1, that is equals to 2, 2x to the third. And then negative 2 plus 6 is 4, 4 plus 1 is equals to 5, 5x squared. And then first power is 3 minus 3 minus 4. So 3, so you have a 3 right here. So you have a 3 minus 3 and then minus 4. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. And then constant. Constant, you have a 6 plus 3, which is equals to 9. Did I get everything right? 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Negative 2 plus 6 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 minus 3 is gone. Minus 4, you have a minus 4x. And then constant 6 plus 3 equals to 9. So everything looks good. And then don't forget that you have to square the denominator. So this is the final answer to the second function. All right, so is that helpful? Hopefully the answer is yes. If you think it is helpful, give me a like, share the video for me, click the subscribe button if you're on your way out. I will see you all in the next one. Signing out.